We just got these hung up in our hallway. These are the plays that Parker has done, the big ones. And then there's Annie. Say hey guys. Hey guys, we are hanging out. Today is a special day. As many of you know, Parker's dad has been gone for about a week and a half. Parker's been really good about it. We've made him sound real sad on his Facebook, but he's done okay. You can tell he misses him, but he's not as sad and depressed as we've made him sound. He will be so excited to see him, though. We're going to go pick him up at the Max pretty soon. But otherwise, our day has just been pretty low-key. Many of you know that my grandma's in the hospital, and so we've just kind of been taking it easy and waiting for updates on the phone. But it'll be nice to have Dad back. I think Parker's excited to get back to work too. He gets pretty bored after a while. Parker, where's your ball? Okay, that got his eyebrows moving. Hey, Parker, where's Dad? Do you want to go see him? Yeah, do you want to go see Dad? Should we go pick him up? What do you think? Let's go. What's that face for? What do you think, mister? Do you want to go see Dad? You're the only thing I want to touch. Never knew that it could mean so much. You're the fear. Alright, guys.
It wasn't the gallbladder.
Yeah.
And now they don't know if it's the liver. They did a CT scan to see what they could see in the belly.
Parker is watching the birds on TV.
20,000 all wrapped it up together. Springtime's coolness still washes over this remote rimrock country, where history hangs around longer than most places.
And Reese's in his normal spot.
Years ago, when Paiute Indians lived off the land, followed by settlers,
Ree.
built town sites that rose above
Hey,
the
bud.
desert.
Do you not want to feed them before?
Because I don't have their dishes. Hey, P. Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Ready, Parker? Alright, so I think Parker's starting to realize that something's up. Parker, where are we? We're at the Max stop. Just got a text from my dad that he is out of the tunnel, so he is getting pretty close. We're gonna do a Parker reunion first, and then we'll do Reese's at home. But Reeser gets excited when you leave to go get the mail, so he'll be excited no matter what. There's a Max. That's not the one he's on though. Oh, but he's looking. I think he knows something's up. I think he knows that he's here to see Dad. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think someone you know might get off of this one? Who's that? Who is that? Who is that, Parker? Oh boy, who is that? Who is that? I'm not gonna hold him back. Good boy. Are you so happy? So happy?
You good boy. Yes.
Good boy.
Yes.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy, Parker.
Yeah, good boy.
Parker, are you so happy?
Yes, you good boy.
Your dad's home.
You good boy.
Reeser, you should go get a toy.
Reeser, give. Yes. Yes. Good boy. Easy. Easy. She should have held on to the leash. Reeser, easy. Reeser, easy. Yes, I love you too. Yes, seriously.
Parker excited.
Yes, yes, he was.
He's not
Can I
like
drink my water, please?
he's not like Reeser, but he has his own way of like getting excited. Hi, P. Are you so glad that Dad's
Hey,
home?
bud.
Where is he?
Parker boy.
Where is he? Go get him! Go get him! What? I don't have anything.
Parker, come.
Oh, I think the ball. I have the ball.
Can you bring it here?
Reeser.
Parker, can you
You're
bring
so
it here?
funny.
Can you bring it here? Where's your ball? Go get your ball.
Get it.
Bring it
Go
here.
go give it to the ball
Bring it here.
thrower.
Bring it here. Good boy. Give. Give. Oh, Reeser got it. Reeser has it.
Uh-oh. Reeser, get it from him.
Go get it.
Go get it from him.
Reeser, drop it.
That stinky little puppy. Get him.
Okay, what did I get for you guys in Sedona? Got you a couple bags of doggy treats. Yes. Those are training treats. And this is freeze-dried cheese. And some very special cookies from the Doggy Bakery. Yes. Good puppies. This one was very, oh, this is a sandwich cookie, it looks like. There's got to be another piece in there for Reeser.
Where is it, Reeser? He's waiting so patiently.
He's a good boy. No, they're broken up. I'm sorry, I was trying to be very careful.
You guys are such pigs. You're acting like we didn't feed you while he was gone. You're getting freebies. You don't even have to do anything.
Okay, let's put the others up and you'll get some tomorrow maybe. Okay, it's time for reading a comment of the day from Day in the Life of ParkerPup. And we have one here from Margaret Brown. It says, Maggie, 10.3-year-old golden retriever, is feeling a little under the weather today, but sure enjoyed watching your video with me. Thanks. Well, Margaret, I hope Maggie is feeling a whole lot better. Sorry that she's been feeling under the weather, and we're glad to hear that Parker's video is helping her to feel better. And I appreciate your comment. Thank you. Parker, can you say good night? Parker. You good boy.